You can make money on YouTube even if you have a small channel and don't have YouTube monetization enabled. In this video, I will show you a free method so that you can start earning money on YouTube right away. I will give you the exact steps, free websites, and 2 bonus tips to maximize your earning. You can use this first method even if you have just 10 YouTube subscribers. The first step is to find new product launches that you can promote. There is a free website called moonshine.com which will give you that information. Here it shows several products that will be launched in the near future. If it's the first time you are hearing about this website, then can you please give this video a like? Now, make a list of about 5 products. You are not going to use all these products. You need to find the best product out of that 5. So here's the first bonus tip. Open a web browser in incognito mode and go to YouTube. Type each of your product names and see what products has the least amount of search results. The reason to use new product launches is because there will be some buzz around that product which we will take advantage of. It will be a less competitive keyword to rank for as the product is just being released. So you can get your video on the first page of search even if you have a small YouTube channel. I will talk about the specific things you need to do to get your video shown here for the product you chose, so keep watching. Now, you found the product. Let's take this product for example. Here you see the affiliate network. Visit that page and you can create a free account. I created an in-depth video previously on this, so I won't repeat it here. Watch this video, the link is in the description. Once you are registered, get the affiliate link of the product. Then we go to step 2, YouTube SEO. You don't need to do any keyword research since this is a new product that will come in the future. There is little or no competition for the keywords with the product name. When the product name is paired with a few popular search words, the resulting long tail keyword makes it easier to rank for YouTube. Here are some popular launch keyword pairings that you can use. Just insert your product name, for example, like this. Now, there are 2 more steps you need to do, so stay with me and hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Step 3, create a video. There are many types of videos that you can create, but in my experience, review videos convert better than any other type of videos for new products. You can ask for a review copy of the product from the vendor, or if you know that the product is high quality, you can even just go over the sales page and get more information. I have created a video previously on the best way to create affiliate videos. Watch that video for more details on how to create a good affiliate video that will entice your viewer to click your affiliate link and then buy the product. Step 4, create an eye-catching thumbnail. Remember, you're trying to get natural traffic from YouTube search. So your thumbnail needs to stand out from the rest of the thumbnails so that people will click on your video and then go to the website, and then you can start making money on YouTube even if you have a small YouTube channel. If you don't have any design skills or don't want to spend money on expensive software, I recommend this website where you can simply edit one of the templates and create a great thumbnail within a few minutes. This is what I use to create thumbnails, and if you click this because of the thumbnail, then you know it's working. The link is in the description below. Often people say they get traffic to their affiliate product but no one buys. So here's the second bonus tip to encourage people to buy from your affiliate link. You can give bonuses and giveaways as a reward for people who purchase via your link. You don't need to create these yourselves. Just go to this website. The link is in the description and you can download any of these for free. PLR is content that you get from the original author with their permission to use it as your own. You can get the source files for articles, ebooks, videos, mini courses, and more by the original author, and you can use this content as is or change it or add information. To make money on YouTube as a small YouTuber, you can say something like this, for example. If you buy through my link, you will get these 4 products worth $499 for free. So you are differentiating yourself from others who promote the same product but you can encourage people to buy with your link so that they get additional value. If you want to know about free promotion methods to get more views to your YouTube video, watch this next.